Share your Canva documents, projects, and presentations with a public view link to keep everything updated and live. Let me show you how. First, find your project and open it up. Now click on the share button and you will want to change these permissions to anybody with the link can not edit but can view. Once you've done that, you can copy this link by clicking copy link and share that out. You can also come down here and click on public view link. Once you've gone here, you can create public view link by clicking that button. You'll see that you have a public view link here and you're ready to copy and paste that anywhere you would like to share, but you can also click in here and edit the name of that link. For example, I'm going to title this for our PD Day. You can also come down here and add another link to the same document. So if we click add another link, you will see now you have two separate links, and this way you can track the data separately. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in action. Here I'm going to open a project that I've shared with lots of people. Now that it's open, let's go up here to the analytics button. Click on that. This is the visits that I have from my team members who are editors. Go down here to public view links. So you will see I had 103 total unique visitors and I had 191 number of visits. This was all for the same public view link, but if I had two links here, then I could compare the data from the two times that it was shared. Click that arrow, you'll notice it takes us to a little bit deeper dive on what the data looks like. You can also scroll down and look at the average time spent on a design. We can see page 8 and page 11 were where viewers spent most of their time. Now at any time you can update these links or add more or delete them. So if you click on share, where it says public view link, it's telling me that I have a live link. Go ahead and click on that. You can update the name of the link. You can even go to these three dots, rename it, or delete the link. So if you no longer want it to be live, go ahead and just delete it, and then people will not continue to have access to it. In our analytics section, you can now export your data to a sheet. So simply clicking on this button and picking if you want to export visits, public view links, or everything. We're going to select public view links, and then you go back up here and export to sheets. You will see that it brings all your data over here to a Canva sheet, and now you can work with that as needed. Lastly, with your public view links, you can always see who is in your design in real time. If you find a mistake, then you can come in here and fix it, and your viewers will see it in real time. Thanks for watching. Now tell us what Canva feature you want to learn next. Remember to like and subscribe.